in the shop, we gotta clean this up before we make a bigger mess while working on this.
All right, Peyton is going to do some welding on our roadster. Looks like she's ready to go. All right, let's watch.
Ready?
Yep. Yep. I told her to wear long sleeves. She said, "You don't know what you're talking about."
It's like having bugs, fire ants.
All right, we're going to let her get finished on that, and then we'll get you back in when she's done. She's getting close to being done. So I got a couple more, and then we'll get you over and see how she did.
Ready?
Yep. You want to brush it, and we'll bring the camera over and see how we did?
Yep.
All right, Peyton, before I show everybody, how do you think you did?
Good. Like great. Better than I did before.
Cool. All right. You guys ready?
Yeah.
She did okay. Well, let's get that grinder over here and we'll clean it up and see how we did.
I'm proud of it too.
Yeah. She's just got to do a couple over here. Ooh, that's hot. Don't touch that, kids. All right, so we're going to take care of that and get it cleaned up. Then we'll take you on to the next thing. All right. Peyton did a little bit of grinding. Looks like we got a pretty good weld. We might have to fill some of that in, but you know what? It's perfect for what we need today. She did a great job. Now on to the next. All right, I went to Harbor Freight today. Got me a couple sets of vehicle dollies for this guy here because he's in the way. And we got to make it easier to move. Because we all know that this guy needs to get out and stretch its legs a little. Got some wire brushes, the more aggressive wheel respirator, and an engine stand. So, sign of things to come. Who knows? Stand by.
So we're gonna put together these wheel dollies for Project Troublemaker. So let's get after it. So I'm gonna just take the shop shears and clip. Oh, that was easy. I didn't expect that. Okay, one more. They're everywhere. Can I just throw these on the floor? Okay. We're throwing them on the floor. Yeah, thank you. Well, that was easy just to open. Right, open. Where are the instructions? There's some wheels. There's that. Where did the instructions go? Oh, sorry. Where did I put this? I'll put them right there. Stay. They're off camera, so. Okay. I was like, where's the other bubble wrap? This is loud. Stop being so loud. Alright. What do I need? No. Doesn't seem like I need a lot. So I'll be right back. Alright, so we got one in with a 3/4 wrench, and let's get after this thing. So what you do, you take this, it already has that on it, and just thrash it around, and then you put a big washer, this one, on it, and then take the little open washer,
Lock washer.
lock washer, on it, and then you take the nut they call them acorn nuts for some reason because they kind of look like one, I guess. I'm not sure. Is that what you want, like sideways? Am I cross-threading?
You wouldn't be down that far.
I know. Okay, I think I just flipped it. Yep, I'm tightening it. Ratcheting one too. Just stop moving.
Lock the wheel.
Yeah, I was just thinking that. Okay, we're gonna have to just do this. Is it? Nope. You know what? We're just gonna leave it. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't. I can just hold it. And then turn it around. I about grabbed a bolt, and yeah, that wouldn't be smart. Big one, little one, nut. Okay, get in there. I just hold the wheel. That would be better. So then it doesn't try to. Well, at times it tries to turn. That's how I learned. Is that one all the way? Okay, that one is. Didn't look like it. Don't scare me like that. Scared me. It's like, are you gonna? No. Stop it. Thank you. Just stay, please. Big one, little one. Extra nut. Or not extra, but just nut. And then you should stay, shouldn't you? Yes, you should. Am I loosening you? Yes, I probably am. Nope, that's not the right way. I had it the right way the whole time. I'm not smart sometimes. I think, yep, loosening it. I don't, yeah. Just loosen it 5 million times. So, it's going to my right, so that's right. There! So, I'm going to show you guys how to unpack this, and then we're going to just get it ready off camera. So, I take the big shop shears, try not to cut myself, and just cut it. And then take 2 out, and then take all of them out, of course. But then these 2 are always a pain, so you have to rip it. So that's how you unpack the set of wheels. So we're gonna do them off camera, so we'll be right back. So we got the wheel dollies done, we'll show them later. Now let's build the engine stand.
All right, the first thing you got to do in something like this, there's big parts. Just lay them all out. Got them all right there. You don't need the jack, but that's a cool hat. Hey, Peyton, how's it going? Woo-hoo-hoo.
Hi.
There's a cool hat. Anyway, got all the pieces laid out. Hey,
Yes,
watch out, Clyde.
Bonk them again.
Right there. We got all the tools we needed. So what we're gonna need for this is we need 17 millimeter, 18. Yeah, I know they're millimeters. And then 119, which I already just stuck down there. So let's get this thing built.
All right, so I got this finger tight, both of these, and I'm gonna now tighten them with a 17 millimeter. I don't think you can read it, but yes, they're millimeters for some reason. And then we're gonna go on to the next step. So I'm gonna tighten these up right now. Dang, this is long. Go. I'm gonna make sure this side because I just want to make sure it's all the way tight there. So let's go on to the next step now. Okay, we got it set up, but first we tighten this so it doesn't wiggle around, and you'll need 2 of the same wrenches. Yeah, just drop that. Both for this case, or in this case, 17 millimeters, what you want to do is take one 17 millimeters like this, the head, and put it behind here to hold, if I can, to hold it. There. Yeah, just slip off multiple times, like that's gonna help. And then you'll need...
Or kids, if you want to see a super awesome trick, use the two closed ends for the ratcheting, and you can tighten them up at the same time. Like this.
Well, I never knew that, so that's good. Thank you for that trick.
Or you can just do one and hold the other. Dad for the win.
That's not fair. So now let's tighten the wheels. For some reason it's a 3/4, no idea why. Well, we couldn't fit the other ones in, so improvised. So I'm gonna get these tightened. Let's see. Yep, we're good. Get in there. I think that's loosening it. Yep, that is. I am not smart sometimes. Yeah, just yep. Got hair in my nose. Okay, we're good. Yeah, just totally. Only if I could go like this with the whole thing, but I can't because it's not. It's only in a confined space. Okay, other side now. Get in there. That's loosening it. I believe. Nope, I have it that way. So if you feel it. This is weird. Alright, next step now.
All right, little tip. We got some metal wheels here now, right? So we took a little grease. We put them right here. We're just gonna slip them in there. Yep, it's gonna get messy. Just twist it around in there. It'll keep it from squeaking and howling and whatnot, right? It gets a little messy. Just, you know, twist it around in there. There, little pro tip.
Alright, so we got plastic wheels on it. No, these ones are metal. But we need 14 millimeters ratcheting and non-ratcheting because one goes on top like this. Sorry if I'm blocking. One goes like this and one goes on the bottom. So it's a 14 millimeter. And then, nope, not going the right way. There. If I can get there. Just, yeah, totally do that. Just don't slide off, please. Just stay, please. Okay, I'm gonna slide you guys down so you can see this one. If you can. Can you see it? Nope. Let's move you back then. There. I can see it, kind of. You guys can see that? Okay. I can at least. I can see what you mean. This one, I'm gonna figure it out because I messed it up. Let's go the right way, so it's that way. Okay. Like this. Yeah. Totally just get on in there. Yeah, that's loosening it. I totally knew that. There. I don't like small wrenches, sorry, because they don't fit my big hands. It's uncomfortable. Yeah, just keep bonking that. Alright, I think we got one more step now. See when we get there.
All right, so all I did was I just finger tightened these. We don't have an engine on here yet, but this is the plate. It's very simple. 4 bolts all the same size. It just slips in. Like that. There's a pin right there that you can, when you do get an engine in there, Stick it in there. The old handle. So when you rotate it around, it goes here. And the other hand grip almost goes on, but we can figure, we'll put some grease on that. But there you go. There's our engine stand.
So this is what it looks like. It's red and it's black. That should have been red, I'm not gonna lie. But that's what it looks like. We did a good job. And it swivels even. Does it lock? Pretty sure it doesn't.
It does not.
Well, that's not good. Okay, we're gonna go through the info of our dollies and engine stands. Or stand, sorry. So this one we got at our store for $64.99 for the pair. The item number is 67338. So if you guys want it, I don't know if they're exactly everywhere, but this one we got on clearance for $59.99 at our store. And then the item number is 69520. And then that one was on clearance, and I'm not sure if it's on clearance for every store, but we know it's on clearance for this store. Okay, we got the engine stand ready and the wheel dollies, which you guys have been waiting to see. The wheel dollies, we got 3 up here, but then we got 1 back there, but we got them all finished, and then everything looks good right now, and so does the engine stand. I did most of it.
All right, Peyton showed you the cool stuff we put together. I'm pretty excited because it'll make that thing move around more. Who knows what I'm gonna do with that? I don't know. It was on clearance, $60. Come on. We did not get to the stuff we were gonna do today. We ran out of time because we did. Peyton and I tried to have fun, and she wasn't listening to me like usual. I think she needs a hearing aid maybe. But anyway, she did a great job welding. She told me she wanted to do some more, and we'll be doing plenty of it, I think, right there. So, we didn't get the shop as clean as we wanted to either because we started working. It was more fun to do that. So, stand by for this guy another time. We're not even talking to him yet.
So, we did run out of time for Troublemaker, but that's okay. We'll get to him next time. Or we'll get to him next time, sorry. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep on, and have a great day.